Struggling with high ACoS, this one overlooked report could help you fix everything. And all you have to do is just log into Amazon Seller Central, go to Advertising, Campaign Manager. And as long as you're running ads, what you want to do then is just go to your reports on the left side, Sponsor Ad Reports, click on that. Once you're here, then you're going to see Create Report. Click on that. Create your report, sponsored products, search term, last 30 days, run the report. After you run the report, you're just going to download it. It might take 5 minutes for it to load, but you will be able to download it. And then you're going to have tons of data. Now, the best part about this is it tells you exactly what your customers typed in to purchase your product, right? So if you're selling bags, maybe they typed in heavy duty bags, and that's what converted the sale. So you want to retarget those keywords. You want to add those keywords into your title, your bullet points, because those are winning keywords that are helping you make more money. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the top, column 1. You're going to filter it. You're going to scroll all the way to the right. Well, first you can also go to portfolio if you want to filter it by portfolio or campaign name. That's up to you. But all of our products are like the same for this one. So we're just going to go all the way to the right. And in column J right here, it literally says customer search term. So you can see this is the exact search term customers are typing in to find your product, click on your product, and potentially buy your product. So this is phenomenal. Now, what you want to look at too is all this data too. K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. P tells you your 7-day total sales. O shows you how much money you spent to generate those sales. N is the cost per click. M is click-through rate. L is clicks. K is impressions. I'm just going to hide K, L, M, and M. K, L, M. Right-click these, hide. Now what we're going to do is filter column Q by the smallest to largest, right? And right off the bat, you can see, let me zoom in a little bit, heavy-duty grocery bags right here. We spent $2.93, and in return, we got almost $900 in sales. Imagine giving somebody $3, they give you $900. That would be a phenomenal day. And that's what types of wins you want to see, you want to be looking for. That's why this report is so important. Once you find a winning keyword like this, it's time to isolate it and put it in its own campaign. So all you're going to do is copy the keyword. You're going to then create a sponsored products campaign, right? So you can go here, click on create campaign. Once you click create campaign, go to sponsored products, and then you're going to do the ad group name, Amazon and beyond. Click one product, only test this on one product first. Go to manual targeting, go to keyword targeting, go to enter list. Go to exact match, and you're going to put that keyword in. Now we're only doing exact match because we know this is the exact keyword the customer typed in to find your product, where they spent $3 and you made $900 in return. Why would we try anything else when we know this works, right? And we put that in, and it's saying the suggested bid is around 58 cents. So we can go a little bit higher, a little bit lower. It's up to you. But what we can actually do is go back to the report, and then we're going to see how much the cost per click is. We were spending 98 cents. So we should probably spend 98 cents. It literally tells us what we were spending, 98. And we click save. And there we go. I know it's above everybody else's, but that's how we win in this game. Remember to do dynamic bids down only. And then you're going to name the campaign. I'm just going to name it one keyword exact, so I know this is a one keyword exact campaign. I'm going to put the ASIN here, just so I know, oh, this is what ASIN it is. STR means I got this one keyword from the search term report. This is what the report's called. So I remember, I'm like, oh, I got these winning campaigns from the search term report, the best report on Amazon. And I'm just putting winning because this is supposed to be a winning campaign. Okay, so that way, if it does bad in the first 7 days, I don't just give up on it. I like double check and see maybe I'm overspending or something's wrong. Then I'm just gonna do $10 daily budget, run the campaign, monitor it, make sure it's spending money, and I should see great results. Now, if you're still not seeing great results, you did this, you're doing this every 14 to 30 days consistently, then what you want to do is check your listing. Make sure your listing's good. And what we do is in the description, we have a free listing audit where we're going to go through, we're going to look at your listing. You just put in the info right here. We're going to look at all your top competitors. We're going to give you top improvements, because if your listing isn't good, then no matter what you do, your Amazon ads are not going to convert well. That just is what it is. That's why your listing's so important, so that way your Amazon ads do well. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel, because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Amazon advertising management service. This is where we're going to go in. We're going to be auditing all of your listings first. Make sure your listings are legit. Then we're going to go through your ads, optimize them, organize them, lower their daily spend, right? Your cost per click. So that way you're getting more clicks for less money and thus increasing your sales. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.